Hello, everybody. Darius and Karma here with Wealth Nation, and today we're going to talk to you about interest.
So interest, just so you guys know, is something that is crushing us when it comes to our finances, because we are actually paying about 20% of our income towards interest, fees, and other finance charges. Just to make you aware of that, which is huge.
But here's the thing, it doesn't feel like it.
Mm-mm.
Let's say you have a mortgage, or when it comes to your mortgage, you see that you have a small APR, annual percentage rate. But anything over 5.5% on a fixed rate mortgage for 30 years, you're going to end up buying two houses. How does that feel?
Well, it's for the price of one.
It's something that we all know. When we signed our contract for our mortgage, we see that. We know that in the first 5 years, 86% of everything that we put into that is going to interest and fees.
Or do we know that? Because when we bought our house, we didn't know that. We saw the statement, or maybe you did because you're good with numbers, but he saw the statement and we just saw how much our principal was not being decreased by every single month.
Right.
So yeah, we ended up buying two houses for the price of one.
Right. So just like you said, when it comes to that average person spending 20% of their income on interest and fees, we don't even realize it because we see a small interest rate, 5.5%.
Oh, it's low. I can afford that
low.
monthly payment. No, sign me up. Yeah, we do that all the time.
And the same thing happens with credit cards, right?
Oh, yes. Nice segue. I like it. Hand off. Okay, so check this out. Our Amazon card, just to put this into perspective so you guys can see and maybe you can relate. So our Amazon credit card, our balance was $3,300. Okay?
Not bad.
What was the interest rate?
Interest rate was 15%.
15%? I think it was something like around there. So then
Or
my
20-something%.
probably need to double check that. But anyways, we'll go with 15%. And my monthly payment was $105.
It was 26%.
Final answer?
Final answer.
Okay, 26%. So let's start over. My Amazon card, the principal or my balance was $3,300 at 26%. Oh, nuts, right? And my minimum payment was $105. So when I looked at my statement, it said that I would be paid off in 56 months. Do you know how long that is? It's about 4 years. Mm-hmm. So if I pay $105 for 4 years, then that balance would be paid off. That's basically what they were telling me. But we didn't do the math. We're like, 105, no big deal. We'll just keep writing the check every single month. So 105, my minimum payment times 56 months ends up being $5,880.
So that means you about 56%, or yeah, about 56% of that went towards interest.
Remember, I started with, my balance was $3,300, but over the course of that time of me just maintaining my minimum payment, I would be paying $5,880. So that's, like you said, 50% more than what I was going to be paying just with my balance. And that's what we're giving to the credit card companies every single month.
But everybody knew that though, right?
No, I didn't. I was like, 105, that's fine. Amazon, but those deliveries keep coming.
Well, I guess that's how the banks continue to make money. Financial institutions, they charge us interest and fees.
Yeah, that's all they do. The banks make money, and they make money off of us. So we wanted to share this with you today because just to put things into perspective, sometimes we kind of understand what's going on. Yeah, I know I have a credit card and I owe some interest, but we don't take the time to do the math. So today we challenge you guys, do the math. Go look at your statements on your cars, your mortgages, whatever the case may be, and figure out how much money you are paying in interest every single month.
Exactly. That's where a budget comes into place, because right now what we do is we look at things on a piece by piece by piece by piece basis, right?
Mm-hmm.
But when we bring all that stuff together and look at the whole picture at once,
yeah,
we see that, oh my gosh,
it's very alarming.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
It is.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So thank you for watching, everyone. Definitely take the time to do your budget. Take the time and see how much interest you're paying to someone else.
Totally. Yep. So this is Darius and Carmen signing off with Wealth Nation. Own your own lifestyle or someone else will. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.io. Now, if you want to know how to become your own source of financing and keep those interest charges in your pocket, then hit us up at info@wealthnation.io.
Have a good one.